Hi, it's Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media here in Houston. And I have Tim Harris with me, Local 28, right here in Houston. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
So great to have you here. Yeah. So you've been to Breakbulk Americas before.
Yes, ma'am.
And so what do you think this year?
I think it's fantastic. You got a lot more vendors. You got a lot more of the carriers that are involved, and obviously that gets a lot of generated movement. And I like it in our area too. Obviously, it's in our port region, and we like to
Exactly.
expose our talent and skills here.
Yeah. Well, we love Houston. So
Thank you.
no danger of moving.
There
So
you go.
we're here.
Yes, ma'am.
But one thing I wanted to talk to you about is a real concern throughout the project cargo community here is the shortage of skilled labor. And I would love our audience to understand more about what ILA offers,
Yes.
what a career might look like with you, and how to find out more information about that.
That's a great question to ask. I think that everybody in the industry shares the same tackle, right? The same issue. uh, is the new talent and recruitment and having skill hands. How do you prepare them for the next generation of longshore or break bulk handlers? Here at Local 28, we do some recruitment, some through the high schools, some through the colleges, through veteran affairs. We do a lot of that, but we look for people who have some experience that we can heighten. And that doesn't mean you have to have it when you get here. You just have the will to be trainable and exposed. We have a manpower development program that we start from the smallest piece of equipment and graduate them all the way up to the large piece of equipment.
Oh, okay.
Yes, with hands-on training. So if you're worried about the longshore locals in the Houston area and skill, we have a program for that. We have high skilled people here.
Excellent. And is there room for women?
Yeah, there's not any discrimination or anything on that. As a matter of fact, in my home local, we have four of the first women RTG operators. Uh, they graduated from work in Breakbulk. Breakbulk is our training ground.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
so we start to develop them from a very small foundation and bring them up. And they don't reach that other benchmark to about the 7th or 8th year of their career. So now at that point, they're handling heavy lifts, right? Large pieces of equipment, over height, over width, bulk, small goods, and containers. So by the time they reach that benchmark, we're putting them in the RTG, which is handling containers on an everyday basis. So yeah, we have a volume of female operators there, but they graduate from the bottom level up just like everybody else. So they do very well.
All right. And is that how you came up?
Well, yeah. I uh, I came up when container terminals were first starting to be developed. Uh, it was very labor intensive work, break bulk at that time. There's a term that I use. That's when the ships were made out of wood and the men were made out of steel.
Okay.
Uh, Technology, different types of equipment and things have kind of changed that. When men used to have to roll cotton, they have a cotton clamp machine. They have a lot of the bulk cargo coming in that's pre-slung and makes it easier for you to take it in and out of the ship. You have a larger capacity of blade machines coming in. You even have some magnetic pieces on where you catch pieces of material like pipe and plate and pick it up and move it. Uh, the dynamics of the equipment with the way the labor is being utilized has changed. I've seen that happen. So I worked from the bottom up 35 years.
Well, that's the, excuse me, the same number of years of Breakbulk Americas. So you are in
Awesome.
the right
Yes,
place,
ma'am.
right? And you seem very happy in what you do.
I wouldn't have it any other way. It's been a blessing to work in a field where you enjoy what you do. It's a generational thing for me, and I'm proud to be here. I'm proud to see the growth. I'm proud to be able to touch other people and invite them into the industry and watch them grow. Also, the port and the various other stakeholders and companies. I like to know that our hard work and our skill gets them to be able to attract work and retain it, so we can push that volume out and have more work. So it's a beautiful thing.
Well, that's, excuse me, that's great. And I want to thank you so much for
Thank you.
sharing that with us. We love having you here.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.